Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up more than 6% right now, which is great because yesterday we dropped nearly 7%, so today's reaction is quite good. It is a true relief for us investors, but right now I think Tesla is giving true very nice reversal signals that could be triggered maybe tomorrow, maybe this week. And in this video, I will try to tell you guys why Tesla is trying to reverse, why it is about to reverse, and what are the risks involving this bullish thesis right now. So just remember, my friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, subscribe because I am every single day updating you guys on Tesla and on other stocks. Now, back to Tesla. This is the daily chart, okay? See this red line at $650? This red line was a support level on August 2021. We are back many months right now to this support level, and we are doing a classic bullish reaction. It has a name, by the way. Its name is Bullish Engulfing candlestick pattern. This pattern over here, we see a white, strong, bullish candlestick literally engulfing the previous bearish candlestick. So it is called bullish engulfing. Of course, the day is not over yet, so we still have a few hours to go. This pattern still could be ruined, but if we keep looking like this, and especially if we close above $650, above this red line over here, I do believe this pattern will be triggered tomorrow. I firmly believe that. Now, we must close above 650, above this red line, especially because it's gonna give the market the impression of a false breakout. I mean, yesterday we lost this red line. We tried to lose it, of course, but today we are doing a fantastic reaction, ignoring yesterday's bearish reaction. So everyone who sold or shorted over here, they're in a very deep problematic situation. So many of the short sellers are going to be stopped out, and we could see a possible bounce back up in Tesla, at least to the 21 EMA in the daily chart, at least, right? The EMA in the daily chart is at $772 right now. It is dropping a little bit day by day, but it's roughly at this area, and I do believe we're going to see a bounce back up next. The market is trying to reverse. We see the S&P breaking its purple trend line. We see the Nasdaq reacting just above. It hit the previous support level at 11.1K over here. So everything over here is telling us that Tesla has decent chances of reversing in the short term at least, right? When we analyze the 1 hour chart, the hourly chart, we see that it is today it filled this, it didn't fill this gap just by a few cents, right? But it is almost filling this gap over here. And by filling this gap, we're gonna see an exhaustion gap in Tesla. And this is quite good because again, it tried to violate the previous support level, but the bears couldn't do that. So it was a false breakout. They're getting squeezed over here. And the Tesla is trading above its 21 EMA right now. And you're gonna say, oh Nathan, but it did trade above the EMA over here as well, right? And over here as well. Okay, you are totally right. But trading above the EMA is just the first step for a reversal. And the most obvious one, right? I mean, we must trade above the EMA, the 21 exponential moving average, in order to truly reverse. So right now we are really trying to trade above the EMA. We are not quite there yet. The situation is still a little bit dangerous. And this is one of the risks involving this bullish thesis. It is still too soon, right? We couldn't even fill this gap right now. So it feels like it is too soon to say this. But in the daily chart, we are looking quite good indeed. But in my humble opinion, the second and most important step for Tesla to take in order to truly reverse in the midterm is by breaking $680. This black line down here, which is the single most important key point in Tesla right now. Only by breaking 680s, we are gonna see a very nice midterm reversal. If we do that, I do believe we're gonna break this purple trend line for good and seek higher levels. We have many other resistances, but the optimal target for this trade would be 858, the gap up here, okay? Especially because we are talking about a crystal clear, when I find the tool. I always lost the path tool, right? Where is the path tool, guys? It's here, the path tool. Especially if we break this double bottom chart pattern, okay? This is a classic double bottom chart pattern. The Nasdaq is also doing its pattern in the daily chart. So possibly many tech stocks, not only Tesla, are going to fly if we see these patterns being triggered in the overall market. But right now, okay, we are trying to trade above the EMA. We almost feel it, this gap. Let's just wait for a breakout of the 680. Right now, one more risk is in the daily chart. The situation seems quite good, and it does make sense trading Tesla right now, buying Tesla right now. I mean, if you buy Tesla right now, your risk reward ratio is quite good, because let's say you buy over here, you would just put a stop loss under today's low, because if you lose today's low, then all is lost, right? Then I don't know for how long Tesla could keep dropping. And even if you set a target around the previous resistance over here at $787 roughly, right? We are talking about a risk reward ratio of 2.82. So it does make sense, right? This is attractive. The risk reward ratio is making sense. If you're aiming at the gap around 858, well, your risk reward ratio is 4.43, which is high. I rarely see a risk reward ratio that high in the overall market. So it is looking quite good. If you lose money, okay, you're gonna lose a little. If you make money, man, you're gonna make a lot of money. So this makes sense to me. I like that kind of situation. I like that kind of odds. Statistically speaking, bullish engulfing, I think they do reverse on 80% of the time. I believe it is 80% of the time, right? I gotta check Thomas Bukovsk's website in order to give you guys more information. But yes, so far Tesla is looking quite good. Let's hope for this to be a true bullish engulfing. One more risk in Tesla that I see around is the volume. I just wish the volume would be higher today, okay? At least at the 21 EMA, all right? But so far so good, okay? We are doing quite well. Tesla has indeed decent chances of reversing right now. I do believe we're gonna see a bounce back up. I will keep you guys updated, of course, every single day in Tesla. So just remember, my friends, subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Farewell.